I will just hold this selfie stick.
I think we're at a high top.
Probably. But hey guys, it's Tony with Chunk Life. Ash is here too.
Hi.
Ash got a promotion today, so we're just on Stevens Ave. We are at Bank and Barron in beautiful Calgary, Alberta.
Yeah.
Our table is wobbling, but it's getting fixed. Thank you so much, by the way. Yes. Awkward clink.
There you go.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Because remember like the stand I had?
Yes.
Because maybe sometimes we'll need that stand for this, and then this for like other.
Yeah, I agree.
Did you get what I'm
But
saying?
this will have to do for now.
Oh, I know. You're not gonna hold the whole time.
I'm gonna be holding it the whole time.
You need
Unfortunately. So congrats on your promotion at work. Exciting, right?
Yeah. I'm really happy. I actually didn't expect it today.
Yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you right now?
I'm excited. I think I'm just tired. So
Yeah.
you seem excited.
That's fair.
I felt like I almost was gonna cry earlier when I first found out the news.
Yeah, that's very
Well, I
exciting.
think it's also because Laura's just very sweet about it. Like she's just very sweet. Like you read the email.
Yeah.
I got company-wide shout out.
She got a company-wide shout out over email, which is really nice.
Can you just like lay it here on your phone? Just put the phone down.
It's not big enough. So it's okay. That's okay. I will hold it for now. We'll just have to use this viewing angle for now.
Why don't you just put it on the chair? Cut the tripod open and put it on the chair.
Oh, true. Okay, guys, we're gonna try
Just
something
make sure it
else.
doesn't fall. Like move the cushion probably. Like put it on.
Technical difficulties. Does that work? Okay, perfect. Perfect. Alright, so we are at Bank and the Barron on Stevens Ave in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. They have some of the best happy hours today. What do you think? Let's take a look at the menu. Probably need to reverse this in the video edit. Let's put it back. Let's take a look at the daily specials. Very nice. So they got half-price bottles off of all wines. So we got some Prosecco. So, do you like Bank and Barron?
I do like bacon. We ordered some fresh oysters.
Fresh oysters. Their oysters
They're
are
also on special today.
very good.
Their steak bites are even.
Their steak bites are also very good. They also have very good wings. Half-price wings. I think on Wednesdays or something like that.
75%.
75% off wings. Wow.
On Mondays and Wednesdays.
Mondays and Wednesdays. We should do the ceviche. Ceviche?
Yes.
Where last time didn't have the ceviche. That ceviche is one of my all-time favorites, and same with also Ashes. Is it one of your all-time favorites?
It is.
Amazing.
And when you go
Okay.
to Mexico?
Especially when we go. Wow. Okay. Stevens Ave. Not that busy right now, but it is a Thursday evening. It's about 7 o'clock. Usually in summertime it's very, very busy here. Hashtag Canada. Hashtag Calgary. Nothing. Alright, well, I think that will be good for now. For our first video. Show you guys when the